Hi. Many times, we know Python as a simple and easy language. But the reality is that when we enter large and industrial projects, that same simplicity can cause us problems. Today, I want to share 5 tips that are extremely important, extracted from real projects and experienced developers, and not everyone will tell you these, so in just a few minutes, become years more experienced. Using them can make a huge difference in your journey to becoming professional with Python. One, using advanced dependency management with Poetry or PDM. The biggest challenge in any Python project is dependency management. Many times, we start with pip install and a requirements.txt file. But as the project grows more complex, different library versions begin to conflict with each other. This is where Poetry and PDM come in. These tools not only make installing and managing libraries easier, but also ensure that anyone running the project will have the exact same compatible versions. Meaning you'll never face that nightmare of, "It works on my machine," again. 2. Optimizing project speed with asyncio. One of the common criticisms of Python is its low speed. But when it comes to concurrent tasks like network requests or I/O processing, the asyncio library is a lifesaver. Instead of having several lines of code wait for a single request, you can use async and await to handle multiple tasks at the same time. This means faster performance and a better user experience, especially in web applications and large-scale services. 3. Using type hints for large teams. By default, Python is dynamically typed, meaning we don't specify data types. But in large projects with multiple developers, this can lead to many hidden bugs. By adding type hints, the code not only becomes more understandable, but tools like mypy or even IDEs can catch bugs before execution. For large teams, this means saving time and reducing errors. 4. Test automation with pytest and CI/CD integration. Writing tests might seem boring, but when a project grows, even a small change can break everything. Pytest is one of the simplest and most powerful testing tools in Python, allowing you to easily write automated tests. Now, if you combine those tests with CI/CD, like GitHub Actions or GitLab CI, every time new code is pushed, everything is tested automatically. This is exactly what big companies use to prevent disasters. 5. Using logging instead of print for debugging. We all start out using print for debugging. But in large projects, this method is unreliable and clutters the code. That's where logging comes in. With logging, you can categorize logs: info, warning, error, critical, see the time and place of execution, and even save the output to a file. This way, even if the project is running on a server, you can still understand what happened. These 5 tips, from advanced dependency management to professional logging, are what separate an average Python programmer from a professional one. My question for you is, out of these 5, which one have you used the most in your projects? Or which one do you think could make the biggest difference in your work?